Hello. In this tutorial we will make the full Arduino code and Proteus simulation for sending and receiving SMS text message via Arduino and our phone from scratch. If you haven't included GSM module Proteus library onto your Proteus library folder, you can see the previous video tutorial, which you can get the link on the description. You can find the Arduino code for this project on the first part of the comment section. Although consider subscribing to our channel if you find the content useful. Now open Proteus new project and search for Arduino and GSM, which we gonna use for this tutorial. You can choose one of the GSM module, the only difference is their color. Drag and drop the two component on the working area. Now we need two virtual terminal. The one to accept serial input and the other to display our text message, which means it will serve as virtual phone. We will use digital pin 9 and 10 of Arduino board as RX and TX consecutively in order to communicate with the GSM module serially. The digital pin 10, which is used as TX, will be connected with RX of the GSM module. This is because the GSM module will receive a command which will be transmitted by the Arduino board. This is how the Arduino is authorized over the GSM module. Whereas the TX pin of the GSM module will transmit its signal to our phone, in this case to the virtual terminal, so it will be connected with RX pin of the first virtual terminal. The connection for the second virtual terminal is simple. Connect RX of the virtual terminal with digital pin 1 of the Arduino and TX of the virtual terminal with digital pin 0 of the Arduino board. Now the connection is done. Upload the hex file of the GSM module and open Arduino IDE and write the Arduino code or copy and paste from the first part of the comment section. Here to give clarification on the Arduino code, we will read the input via the virtual terminal which we connected with pin 0 and pin 1 of the Arduino. In case the reading is small letter s, send message function will be executed to send text message. Whereas in case the reading is small letter r, receive message function will be executed to receive text message. AT plus CMGF equals 1 is used to set the GSM module onto text mode. AT plus CMGS command is used to set receiver phone number. Follow the format which is shown on the code. MySerial.println is used to write the SMS text message. Here we use MySerial because we named as MySerial when we declare software serial on the top of the code. The command AT plus CNMI equals 2,2,0,0,0 is used to accept SMS message via our GSM module. After writing the Arduino code, save and export compiled binary. Then upload the hex file on the Arduino microcontroller. Now run the simulation to see the expected output. As you can see, we got two virtual terminals. If we type small letter s on the virtual terminal, it will send the SMS text to the other virtual terminal, which we used as virtual phone in this case. Whereas if we type small letter r, it will return a success message to receive the message. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.